Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change your country on Google account. So launch Google app first of all, then go to your profile picture icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here tap on the option of manage your Google account. Now once you come here, go to personal info section, then scroll down below and you'll come across addresses. Now, in my case, you can see that the home address has been chosen for United States. So in order to change that, tap on that location. Now, in the field where the address is given, just backspace it and enter a new address and then tap on Save. Then scroll down below and then tap on the option of Done. Now you can see that your location or country on Google account has been changed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.